I'm Francesco Misurale from ETT. I'm data manager for Nautilus and other projects that ETT is involved in, like eModnet Physics, for example, is one of the most important ones. ETT is an ICT company. It's working on many different fields. My field of work is smart city and research and development, and we work with many different European projects. We have specialized in data management and data representation, so from the getting data from the sensor to showing it on a portal. Citizen science allows all the people to be a scientist for a day, so also give the opportunity for scientists to get data where normally they don't have it. So it is important because engage people, aware people of what is the problem or the issue with something environmental problems. And it's something that is becoming more and more present in all scientific projects. And data management is essential because you can get whatever data you want, but if format is not the correct one, you cannot connect to international frameworks. So data management and data management tools are essential to be connected to bigger frameworks like eModnet, like Copernicus, whatever you think. These tools we use, and well, Nautilus use only open source tools because science is open source and also data management have to be this. We brought to Nautilus what we learned in other European frameworks, like in eModnet. In eModnet, we started working at the really beginning and started to check and try new technologies from time to time. And so in Nautilus, we brought those technology just to make the project ready for the international frameworks. And this is one of these tools is obviously ERDDAP and all the little scripts, Python scripts that can help manage the data from the sensor to the portal, and user, of course, of the scientist. The interesting thing of those tools is that you can just make it easy. So the user just have something like, just press a button, just like running a washing machine. So it's super easy. You just have to collect data, use an application, or just give data to the scientist, then the scientist just put it inside the framework, the data management framework, and in a few minutes you have your data on the portal. So on the web page of Nautilus, you can just go there and see your data. This is an important part because it's something that really engages people, that see that the experience they made as citizen scientists, it's really inside something. It's on the web, it's open and everybody can see it. In Nautilus, it's really important because as new sensors are well designed and created, it is important to test them. And having the possibility of testing high technology scientific tools alongside with the tools for citizen science, it's really important. You have a double win-win, really, because you have the really precise and affordable instrument and a portable and easy to use tool for citizens to collect more and more data.